What's up guys, MartyBlendz back with another tutorial, and today we have a nice transformation with a mid drop, so let's jump right into it. Starting off with the number 6 open, debulk the entire head until it's fully even. Guys, in this case, my client did have a comb over before, so we needed to press his hair down to go in the direction we wanted. A little hack is to moisten up the hair, comb the hair in the direction you want it to go, use a towel to apply some pressure, and heat press the area using a diffuser. Alright, now back to the cut. Using your preferred trimmer, create a baseline, contouring it to the client's head shape. Make sure you don't press too hard onto the scalp as it can leave a harsh line. With the number 2 open, go up about 2 inches from the baseline and flick out so you won't create a new guideline. This step will allow us to work comfortable during the process. Next, using the number 3 open, go up above about a half an inch continuously, flicking out. You now want to shave off all the stubble left behind. Remember that in this step, the closer you reach the baseline, the less pressure you want to make. Using your clipper with the lever open, create a half-inch guideline all around. With your half guard halfway open, create a half-inch guideline. Open up the lever completely now, and make another half-inch guideline. Remember not to press too hard onto the scalp. Now with the number 1 open, go up half an inch. Be really careful because you can start to push the fade up higher with the specific guard since it's close to your darkness. Moving on to the 1.5 guard fully open, you just want to go up another half inch to remove a tad bit of bulk. Finally, with your lever open and your corners, take out that last line from the first guideline we made. If you really pay attention, you can notice that a line can be fully erased using the same number you've created it with. Just utilizing your corners can make a big difference. Finally, close up the lever fully and hit that last visible bottom line. Take your time erasing this specific line because if it's left looking clean, it can make up the entire fade. Guys, for the finishing touches, I always freehand along the sides to cut off any imperfections. If you guys happen to be wondering where to find these translucent premium guards, make sure to visit MartyBlendz.com. Alright, now to get started with the lineup, you want to spray a light coat of hair evenly throughout the front. When lining up, I didn't go up too far, so I kept it kind of natural towards the middle, but sharp on the edges. Remember to use clay to lay everything down when you're done. As for the beard, this client wanted to keep the lengthy dark look, so I debulked using the freehand technique. Try to stay steady and patient when working on these beards. The lineup down below will get it looking crispy and nice, as well as a cheek line to remove all the hairs on the face. Guys, here you have the finishing product. If you did enjoy this tutorial or learn anything from me today, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.